having a great time. The game is to know, like, where it's frozen still and where it isn't. What do you think, Chloe? So she's my guide. We've already, I'll show you my leg. We've already stepped on a piece of ice that was rotten. You can see over there. But it's gorgeous out here. Now on the beach, starting to find things washed up. This is a beaver tooth stick, and she's very interested. All right. Come. How do I get across? Oh, not that way. Maybe. I think I'm gonna go find some rocks. All the way back up to the land. Get here. Makes me wanna keep an eye out. Some ancient fishermen trying to catch a halibut. But when you do find one, they're beautifully symmetrical. You would never mistake it for just a rock. Liquid. It's like jelly. Clover, come! Oh, but this solid difference between particle sizes is a big difference. Running out to the beach. Hard to tell. Looks like you still got the skis on. Winter's not over yet. Tide going out on this side.